Am I the asshole for asking for another portion of gruel? I, 10M, am currently living in a workhouse. It's like an orphanage where you need to work for food. As you can imagine, the food sucks and there's not enough to go around. Well, yesterday they were serving gruel, as usual, and I was really hungry, so I asked our manager, 52M, very nicely if I could have some more. Well, you would think I asked the guy for an effing kidney. He absolutely freaked out and started screaming and chasing me around with his giant staff. He was so loud and everyone was staring, and honestly it was so embarrassing. I got in a huge amount of trouble, but I really don't think I was in the wrong just for asking. Honestly, I'm considering running away and joining a street gang at this point.